gotta shift it back. Couch, I'll be the rubber band, you'll be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and if you are one of my returning subscribers, what up though, and welcome back. Y'all, today I am going to be doing a wig update on one of my favorite wigs. I've been noticing a lot in the comments where when I do a wig review or a first impression, people will come back in the comments and just ask how the wig is holding up, or, you know, do I still have it? Do I still wear it? So I have decided that I'm going to be doing a wig series here where I'm going to be doing updates on past wigs that I have reviewed and done first impressions on, as well as wig wear tests on newer units that I received. So I hope you guys enjoy content like this. If you do, please be sure to like this video, leave me a comment, and hit that subscribe button so you can come and hang out with me all the time, okay? All right, so today's video, I am actually doing an update on a wig that I reviewed on this channel about 8 months ago, and it is from BGM Girl Hair. BGM Girl Hair. I no longer have like the box and the goodies that it came along with, except for this bonnet. It says BGM Girl Hair on the back. Y'all, this bonnet has actually become one of my favorite bonnets. Like, baby, send me a bonnet and a good one of that, and you got a friend in me, okay? But as well as like the cap, and I think it came with some lashes. I don't have any of that other stuff, but all I have is the satin bonnet and then the satin bag that you can store your wig in. This is their Kinky Straight Wear and Go HD Glueless Wig. I have her in 26 inches, 180% density, and she is a 4x6 closure. You guys, I will have this unit linked in the description box if you are interested in it, because baby, let me tell you, she is going strong. She is still going strong, okay? So here is the wig. I wore her not too long ago. I wear her pretty often because she's like literally a throw on and go unit. This hair does come pre-plucked. I did not pluck this unit at all, and it also comes pre-cut, so I did not have to cut any lace. The only thing I did was just pop some foundation powder inside of the closure part, and she was good to go. The inside of the cap, you don't get any combs, but you do get an adjustable elastic band, and it is a comfort cap. My head is so small, so I will say the cap is a little bit big on me, but that's okay. Let me go ahead and pop her on real quick, real fast, in a hurry. Yeah, and this is how quick I put this wig on. Y'all, this is how quick I put this wig on and be out the door. Like, I shit you not. Like, this wig is like that. When they say it is glueless, when they say it is wear and go, baby, I just put this on and I'm ready to walk out the door. Period, period, period. All right, so the hair is very, very soft still, very manageable. It does, when you wash it, it does poof out a little bit more, but I have it flat ironed now. If you have the wig on for a full day, at the end of the day, you will have some tangles in the back. But it's really easy to just brush out. And again, it's a 26-inch unit. And like I said, if you're wearing it all day and not brushing through it, which I typically don't, especially if I'm just really busy, then I'm gonna have some tangles in the back, and I'll just brush them out at the end of the day. I have had this wig for 8 months. She's lasted the test of time. I believe she's gonna last even longer. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some wand curls in her really quickly. I've only curled this unit about once before, and I can't really remember exactly how that experience was, but I'm gonna go ahead and curl her up for you real quick to see what she looks like with just some wand curls thrown in, and I will be right back. So I have finished curling the wig, and I just want to show you guys how much the curls have fallen so far on this side of the wig. I curled this side of the wig first, and the curls have dropped just a little bit, and I just got done curling this side of the wig. She ain't got time to be
sure it gon' last. She don't expect nothing from no guy. She plays aggressive, but she's still shy. But you never know her softer side.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day. Happy Sunday, you guys. And this is the hair the next day. As you can see, the curls have fallen into more so of a wave pattern. I did wear the hair yesterday. I ran a few errands and I went to dinner. Ran a few errands, went to dinner, was outside in like the elements, which was just wind. It didn't rain or anything. And this is what we're left with. I did not sleep in the wig because it's a wear and go unit, but this is how the curls have held up. They're now waves. Typically with kinky straight hair, curls really don't hold too well, but I think I like this. I like the wave. I like the wave of the hair. And I think it's really pretty. Right after you curl it, it will have more of a curl. And then as the day goes on, your curls will fall into these soft waves, which I'm cool with. I love it. And I know what to expect when it comes to kinky straight hair. So this is the wave looks like. It's an up close look of the wave of the hair. What it looks like in the back and how far it comes down on me. Again, this is a 26-inch wig. I think she looks good. I don't think they're gonna fall too much more. I feel like they're gonna last me next 2 or 3 days with me taking the wig on and off at night, but we'll see if I want to put more waves in it. I'll either just use my curling wand or I will put my silk roller in the wig overnight. So either way, but yeah, y'all, the verdict on BGM Girl Hair Kinky Straight 4x6 closure wear and go glueless wig. Who knows, a mouthful, is it gets a yes for me. Again, I've had this wig for 8 months. I wear her all the time just because of the ease of just throwing it on my head and getting up out the dough. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up and as well as the subscribe button so you can come hang out with me all the time. And y'all, let me know in the comments, do y'all like these wig update videos and wig wear test videos? Let your girl know. Let me know so your girl can keep bringing them to you, because I'm trying to get the people what they want, okay? I love y'all and I'll see you in the next video.